Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nubia Red Magic 6R. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find the Firefox browser. Install it. When it's finally ready, click on Open. Right here, you need to set up your browser, so pick a theme. I'll be using dark theme. Pick a toolbar placement. Sign in to turn on synchronization. You can also switch a privacy protection from standard to strict. Read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.